What's up, you guys? Trucker's Life and I'm back. I'm doing something simple tonight. I put up the shrimp from last night. I'm making shrimp tacos. Something simple, something quick and easy. As y'all see, got all my seasonings out. I'm prepared today. Yay, me! I'm tired is what I am. I'm tired. I'm tired, but I still gotta eat. Still gotta eat though. You feel me? Alrighty. Let's get this done. Garlic. Because you can't have taco. You can't have taco meat without a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit. Just that little bit right there. Okay. You ready? Let's go. A little bit of sea salt. Oh boy. Today's been a long day, y'all. A really long day. Some lime juice. Because you know we in the truck, so we can't always get the fresh limes. But I got the lime juice. Got the onion powder. And crushed red peppers. This is more to give it that pretty just color and a little bit of a kick. It's not going to give it enough kick to really blow me away. That's what this is going to do. Y'all know what it is. Habanero powder. I'm only putting a little bit though. This stuff ain't no joke. There we go. That's enough right there. See? That little bit. God damn it. See, happens every time. Ooh. But alright, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, it's ready. It is ready to cook. Oh, my toes. This is simple tonight. Like I said, this is going to be a short video tonight. Put it in to make sure that shrimp gets that butter, because I do not like dry shrimp. At all. Especially this shrimp. This shrimp is too good to let get dry. Alrighty. Now I need to stop at the store and get some more. Put that back in the bag where all the liquids. Oh, I left some shrimp in there. Hell no. The shrimp too expensive to waste. It's not only too expensive, it's too good to waste, to be flat honest. Trying to waste this beautiful shrimp. It's Argentine red shrimp. Product of Argentina. Wild caught. Shipped to America. And then sold at the stores. Okay. Put those in there. Let those cook. They'll cook pretty quick. I just want to mix them around in that butter so that butter sauce gets all over them. cover it. And when this gets done, I'm gonna throw some tortillas on. So I'll be back, y'all. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. Sorry. I just toasted the tortillas on the grill. Now I'm stuffing them real quick. Told y'all I'm tired. My bad. I'll push record a little late. Shout out to Nina Boy. He a LA rapper, YouTuber. Brother's doing some things for trying to put some people on. And I appreciate him, man. He done shouted me out a few times. You know what I mean? His party line is live, y'all. His party line is live. I don't really go on it much because I'm not with all the talking shit and all that. Nah. I don't do that, but I watch it. I was on it a couple times, I ain't gonna lie. It was cool. But yeah, I don't do all that talking about people's mamas and all that. Y'all know my situation. I'm gonna have to hunt somebody down. Oh, sorry. Put the sour cream in the middle of it. Grab the lime. Squirt some lime on here. There we go. Sour cream. This is how easy it is to do shrimp tacos. Just a little bit of sour cream. Don't want to do too much because you want the shrimp to ride it out. There we go. This is some good sour cream, y'all. But then we got the jalapenos right here. Put them on there. Y'all see jalapenos. Oh, it's too hot in here. I got all this heat, this stuff going, so it's building some heat in here. There we go. Then take some of this La Victoria hot green chili verde. Love the smell of it. And just sprinkle some on top. Like I told y'all, this is a quick video tonight. And you guys, this is my dinner tonight. Let me put this up here. I'll dispose of that the right way. But y'all, this is my dinner tonight. Y'all ready to see? Check it out. Got the shrimp tacos. Easy. Something quick, something simple, something easy. It's all about the shrimp you use. Honestly, it's easy to put together. It's quick, simple. Oh, hold on. I forgot one thing. The cheese. I forgot the cheese. And you don't put a lot of cheese on here because people say you're not supposed to use cheese with shrimp. Shit. Just a little crumble of cheese. I wish I had some cotija or that queso ranchero. But I'm in the truck and I tried to find it and they didn't have it at anywhere I went to today. And I checked like 4 different stores today looking for it. Because it's more of a milder cheese. Actually, this has the Asadero cheese. Okay. So this is good too then. Alright, well, y'all, you know, I got the cheese on there. But a little dust. No, I ain't about to put no more chili peppers on it. It's got enough, right? Right. So here we go. This is now the finished product. Yes. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my content. If you guys want to help a brother out, the HBO special, you feel me? HBO special, help a brother out. $ TRUCKERSLIFE78. Same as the channel. Send a $1, $5, whatever you can. Cash App it. Hey, anything can help y'all. Y'all don't understand. That's why my videos are starting to slow down, because it's getting expensive eating out here like this. It gets expensive eating fast food. But we gotta eat. And I'd rather eat home-cooked meals than eat fast food. And show y'all some ingredients or some recipes that I got in here. Because everything I do is off the top of my dome. But hey, Trucker's Life. Don't forget, be safe, be kind, stay lovely, and I love y'all. I'm out.